Hey y'all, it's CJ. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, and if you're not new, welcome back. So today I'm doing a video on my inventory. It's not really unboxing because I had some orders I had to do, but I still have a lot of it, so I'm gonna just go ahead and show y'all. So right here is my lip gloss tubes. I have 100 tubes in here. Got this for $13. And I have a whole pack of this. I was going to use this for my lip scrubs, but then I realized they're so small. I'm just going to use these for my sample glosses. I found me some more. And then I just got in my tubes I'm going to use for my lip oils and my regular aromatherapy oils. These are going to be the same ones. So that's all that's in this box right here. Okay, I bought 4 packs of Versagel. Like I said, I had to do orders, so I'm like one left. I have 100 of these. This is what I packaged my glosses in. These little cute little lace bags. So still full of these. And then I have my aromatherapy oil with crystal bottles. I have 10 of these. And then I just have my regular oils and essential oils that I use. And I have a lot of these for packaging. And I have a lot of white ones I got from Target for like 79 cents, which are not bad. And then in this bag, I have 4 60mm syringes. I also have 100 pipettes. I was able to use all the money that I got back and put it back into my business. And I'm going to show y'all my glosses because I don't think I've showed y'all those. You can let this lip oil, and you can let this seeds and essential oil. And then this is our crystal one. It's not filled yet.